Hi everyone, in this lesson we will learn a lower string method at Python that convert all string characters to lowercase. For example, YouTube channel equal at by tech sphere parent YouTube channel run. Yes, print original string. What about to convert all characters of this string to lowercase? Just type to lower YouTube channel dot lower parent to lower dot lower method means convert all characters of string YouTube channel to lowercase. Just test. Yes, it works. Convert all characters to lowercase, just like T and S. Actually, you can do this. Yes, it works. What about if we have list of usernames, content usernames, just like John, Angela, Smith, and Adam. Username just as an input from the user, input, enter your username, print usernames. Actually, all users usernames, print user, just user comes from input. Run. For example, test. Yes, all users list contains usernames and user as a input from the user. Okay, what about to run this again? Actually, to check if the user name exists at list or not, just we did before using ternary if statement, just like print user found username found if username in usernames, else not exist. Run. For example, John, but two characters at uppercase not match these characters, case sensitive. So run. Yes, user not exist. That's because this actually different about user at the list, different characters, case insensitive. So to avoid this issue, just type dot lower, which means convert all characters comes from the input user to lowercase. So run. For example, John yes, John found. That's because the input from the user converted to lowercase. After that, it matched at the value at usernames list. So in the next lesson, we will learn more examples about lower string method. So if you have any problems, just let me know. Otherwise, keep going. Thank you.